is more like it because they prepared the car. This is a brand new chassis. Hats off to LZ Manufacturing, Drift HQ, Adam LZ putting the car together. But guess what? Robert Thorne was on it. Pin it to win it. Let's see what you got. Adam LZ and Robert Thorne. Adam LZ initiates the Drift HQ, BMW. You can see those TE37s coming to, oh, and Thorne makes a major mistake in the chase position. Talk about how locked and loaded it is, but look at this. This is all new. Build is looking dialed. You know, you got to think, here's Thorne, who's had 5 previous rounds in a car. His car's still together. LZ's got this, like, tight and right, nutted and bolted, the whole thing. Boom. LZ delivers for the kids. So it's all for the kids.
It's a diet of pressure. Stress is pressure. Yeah.
Ding, 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 ding. Here we go. Robert Thorne, Metagard Racing, ASM, into that first outside zone. This is what we saw yesterday, Jacob. Look at this. I mean, absolutely dialed. Love it. He is just precision. Adam LZ jumps out of the smoke. And he keeps it breezy. Easy, breezy, beautiful. Adam LZ. And that Drift HQ BMW, so great content, but this build was put together in 2 weeks. Rode off his car in St. Louis, said he was done, and got back, and he sent me a photo. He's like, shh, don't tell anybody. I was like, no way. So pretty amazing. We'll see the Drift HQ BMW E36, big angle from him, looking really solid. And you can just see the massive amount of angle from Adam LZ into that second outside zone, transitions into that third. Oh, looks like Dan Burkett gets up close and personal. Looks like maybe they definitely tap. Oh, yeah. Burkett goes back. Oh, man, Burkett. Yes. Look at Dan Burkett. He is just rumbling. Look at that. You can see that back bumper flapping. Coming down the mountain through that start chicane. Let's see what Burkett's got out front. He initiates, Adam LZ in tow, and Burkett, good angle. A little bit of a gap here between Burkett and Adam. Now coming down into the power alley, let him know you're here. Now into that second outside zone. Man, Adam LZ. Oh, Burkett loops it. Burkett makes a mistake. LZ was missing outside zone 3. He came in shallow, and Burkett made a mistake under his own power. There was no contact there until did they barely tap right there at the end?
Just a little kiss, that's it.
Oh, man, what a bummer for Burkett. Man. He was on it, and he loops it, hitting his stride. Adam LZ would love to say, all right, well, cool story. I'm going to put a stop to that right now. Here comes Adam LZ, that Drift HQ LZMFG E36. Adam LZ pulls away a little bit. See him compromising, taking some angle at it, but now just throws a ton of angle at it. Look at that, high on the bank, Beecham a bit lower. Coming to that power alley, into that second outside zone. LZ digs deep, yes sir. Wow, look at that. Oh man, into that last outside zone. Dude, like you said, to your point, no shakedown, no breakdown, just, dude, I saw a clip he posted on Instagram. He's like, underpowered right, compared to Adam's setup right now. He is hitting it. So here we go. Watch for Adam LZ. He's going to be aggressive. He's not going to let Beecham run away from him. So here it is, Beecham. Good angle from him. A lot more settled out front now. Look at that. So Adam LZ, but like I said, he is right there. He is not letting him get away. Now watch this transition. Outside zone 3. Beecham does get out there. He barely taps it, hits it and quits it. Into that inside clip now. Transition now in that final outside zone. Look at that surge. You see Adam LZ kind of chomping at the bit. Makes some noise for Adam LZ and Chen Beecham. Obviously content creator, car crusher. He's got his own LZ World Tour. He's got his own events. He's popping all over the place. And here we go, Manoa, Juku Racing, Jerry Yang Racing, 86. Second place at a previous round in St. Louis. LZ with that victory last year, leaving the RTR camp and campaigning his own vehicle. Here we go, Manoa down into that power alley. Filling all that second outside zone, transitioning into the third. Now, tight on that inside clip. Good composure there by Adam LZ in that final outside zone. That got a little sketchy. Yeah. Kind of attacked on that transition and checked up, but kept control. Here we go. Adam LZ, who's moving on? Who's going to the finals? Look at Adam just ripping into it. Manoa, good composure. You see him just get right there in the pocket. Adam LZ really high on the bank. Manoa, 14 years old, unfazed. Look at the angle from Adam LZ. Throws some more at it in that second outside zone. Just barely a tread off course. Manoa takes a tighter line. Adam LZ dives in on the inside clip. Manoa, look at the young buck, gets to the side of Adam LZ. Pushing around. Adam LZ makes some noise. Seattle.
Now we're starting to look at who's going to be third, maybe even second in the championship.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and again, Manoa currently sits in fourth.
Yeah,
and with
LZ in seventh.
So here we go. Manoa out front of Jugu Racing. That Jerry Yang Racing 86. Oh, LZ takes a little bit of angle at it. He works his way. Look at the proximity here from LZ. He's shimming his way. He is trying to force an error here for Manoa in that second outside zone. Now through the power alley, Manoa dives in on that inside clip. Let's see what we got. Adam LZ takes it out, lets him pass, and gets that position in the last outside zone. The crowd erupts. Here we go. Adam LZ now out front. Send it, Seattle. Here we go. That Drift HQ BMW E36 Manoa chasing him down. Adam LZ, good angle from him. Manoa hanging with them. Talked about the speed. Look at that angle again. He pours some more on it. Is what he did on that last battle. Now come into that third outside zone. Look at Manoa. Manoa grinding on him into this last outside zone. LZ and Manoa toe to toe. The crowd erupts here in Seattle. Stop your
Thank you.